Police Village Day also 18. Popul Darmen Uma, the Constable Meli Nawai Malua of Nanda Ribatu Community Post.
The Commissioner of Police, members of the Diplomatic Corps, the friends and family members of those police officers who are no longer with us, senior officers of the Fiji Police Force, and of course all the other officers of the Fiji Police Force, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. I do not intend to make a long speech, but essentially to this morning acknowledge the work and the dedication of those police officers who are no longer with us. It is of course a solemn occasion, and this occasion of course is solemn for the very reason because these officers served the Fiji Police Force. They served with all their dedication, the integrity that they had, and of course the time and the effort they put in it. To have the family members here this morning, to be able to mark this occasion, it is very, very important because this public display of the acknowledgement is an acknowledgement to also the family members that in this particular case this morning, your husbands, your fathers, and your sons all did what they were supposed to do. It is critically important, ladies and gentlemen, for us to understand that the police force plays a very pivotal role in the law and order and security of our country. It is sometimes, and many times I would suggest, a thankless task because we take our police officers for granted. We expect them to be everywhere and whenever we need them. And of course, we expect them to be always at their best. Society is changing, technology is changing, our demographics are changing, and indeed our police force needs to also change accordingly. It brings about also a particular level of stress, perhaps that we have not endured before, or police officers have not endured before. So therefore it is very critically important for us to be able to, as a government, to ensure that our police officers, our police force are given the right equipment, the right tools, and being rewarded appropriately for the services, the very critical services they provide to the Fijian public. It is also a reminder, ladies and gentlemen, for us, all of us, to understand that we need to look after ourselves. In this day and age of NCDs, this day and age of new foods, new drinks, etc., we have to be careful. We have to ensure that we exercise regularly, we eat appropriately, and we're able to spend time with our family members and be able to look after our own selves. Because if we do not, then of course we can fall prey to the mortality that awaits all of us, and some of us sooner than others. So it is very important, ladies and gentlemen, for us to take heed of these issues. And for all the family members, please be assured that the Fiji Police Force family, of course, is here with you in your sorrow, and to be able to commemorate the life of your family members this morning that we are doing this morning. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, and I wish all the family members all the best with the rest of the family members. The Fiji Police Force, of course, will do whatever is necessary to ensure that you have the security that is guaranteed with the employment that your husbands and sons and daughters, husbands, sons, and family members had. Thank you very much.